Good afternoon, everybody. This is a live video from my neighborhood in the middle of our third major snow. And this is unprecedented for this time of the year, because I've never remembered a winter where we've had three major storms for the price of one. But as you can see here, we are getting super coated with everything. And the kind of snow is falling right now that's making all this white out is a packed powder. But like I said, the winds are picking up substantially. This is what you need to be on the lookout for if you're going to be out and about this afternoon and tonight. I have been getting reports coming in of some thunder snow. So this storm is really meaning business. And a blizzard warning continues until about 12 midnight tonight. But as you can see, we are really in the middle of it. Our third major storm, still snowing like crazy. How much do we have? I'd say we had about 7 inches, but we are certainly adding on. And look at all these trees.